Hi! Thanks for coming back. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about making a shelf, and we're going to do that together. You are going to need some supplies. You will need a drill, and you will need some screws. You will need some kind of wood, and you will need some time. So I would carve out probably about an hour for this one, and I'm going to show you guys some pictures of the supplies that you need, and then we will go ahead and get started, okay? So here we go. Okay, so we have our drill, and we're going to use a really small drill bit because we're going to make our pilot holes so that the wood doesn't split when you're drilling into it. So I have my first two boards, okay, and I'm going to start by drilling the pilot holes. I'm going to go, you can't see it. All right, well, I'm going to go here and here, and then I'm going to do it again at the bottom. And this is going to be our top and bottom. All right, so, sorry. Okay, here we go. Can you see? Yeah. All right. You know what? I think I gotta go the right way. Here we go. Damn it. See, that happened last time too. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do it again. Like I said, you know, I'm not kidding you. I don't measure. I just eyeball it. Okay, so here we go. I already went through and I drilled pilot holes. Okay, and I did that with the smallest drill bit that I have, okay? The pilot holes are so that your wood won't split when you are actually drilling the screw in, okay? So, I've got our pilot holes. Alright, now, we're gonna go ahead and drill in. See, how can I do this? Well, I'll just kind of... Alright, so there's one screw, two screw. And then, hold on. We're going to use this Phillips piece, okay? Son of a bitch. Alright, so that looks good. Now we're going to come over here and do our second part. Okay, so now we have both of these parts done. So we're going to, let's see, work on the last part. All right, so we're going to switch out so we can make a couple more pilot holes. I know you can't see, but I'm just drilling. Okay? Now we switch back out. Okay? Grab a couple screws. Well, shit. You know what? I fucked that one up a little bit, but that's okay. Can't even tell. Okay, so now we have our basis. So, you know what I noticed? That piece, look, there's wood and there's white. So I'm gonna have to switch those out. God dang it. Luckily, it won't take me that long. Shit. How you guys doing? All right, so now, okay, there we go. See, that's all. Just had to pop that bitch right on over. Okay, now, I think that's good enough. Okay, so your next part is going to be putting the actual shelves in. So I like to position them first the way I want them to go. And then, once I feel confident, I go through and I make the pilot holes. Oh, you are a bitch. Oh, you're a fucking whore. Damn. So, I got my drill bit stuck in wood. There we go. Alright, so now that we have our pilot holes, we'll go ahead and get these parts screwed in. And then we'll go through the other side and do the same. I gotta watch my time because I still gotta go to work here in a little while. Okay. Oh, this fucking whore. I don't know why it does that. It's like it gets loose. Okay. Okay, now, switching out. But I missed the mark on that one. Damn it. There we go. You guys, I'm sweating. It's gross. Okay, so there we have it. It's done. Okay. There it is, guys. What do you think? Does it look okay? Let's take a look. Yeah. But you know what I think? I don't think this board is the same length as all the others. I think it's pretty close, but it's not exactly all the same. But I'm just going to use it for my stuff here in the craft room. So, you know what? I think it suits my needs. Just needs to be cleaned up, blinged out, and I think we'll be ready. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Sorry it took so long. I'm going to speed up some of these parts to make it go faster. But there you have it. I did it in a little bit less than an hour. Okay? Yeah. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that you are living happy and productive lives. And I hope that you will subscribe, like, and comment. And you can even tell your friends. That would be so sweet. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.